Good morning, everyone. How you doing? Hope you've been going well. Hope you've been eating right, sleeping right, drinking water, resting, taking care of yourself. Just wanted to drop in. I'm at the bordello. I think I've packed everything. So I'm going to call this the beginning of Honda Week. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to take Trixie with me to Melbourne. We're going to go and have a mad time. If I'm lucky, you might see me work on the car a little bit, but I'm off to Melbourne for a holiday, and then I'm off to go and pick up Milton. So, catch you later. Peace.
The world's got so
Alrighty everybody, just wanted to drop in, give a proper update. Trixie and I have reached Sutton's Forest. We've gone through 25 litres. No, sorry, we didn't go through 25 litres. We went through 15 litres from Lisaro to Sutton's Forest. So I will pop in here how many Ks, mile per hour, you know, that sort of shit. Drive's been actually really good. Very early on in the piece, I was driving along the motorway and had a highway patrol just pull out and turn the lights on, and I shit bricks. Hadn't even left the home area yet. So thankfully they were pulling over a dickhead that was going too fast. Drive's been okay. After that initial poo my pants moment, had a few highway patrol pulling people over. It's doubled to merits at the moment, so things are going great. Anyway, I'm done fueling up the car. Let's get back on the road, shall we? Yeah! Oh, look what we get to spot. Yeah! So I need to give a huge shout out to the legend Turbo Tristan. I would like to see Turbo Tristan hit 20k by the end of the year, but let's aim for 25. The man went through the car vigorously. We did find a few things that need to be sorted out by BYP, but the man cleaned the guards, he rolled them, we got the coilovers installed, we got the panhard bar installed. It's such a relief driving the car now, because realistically it was on 40-year-old, rusted out, blown chum. Took the BCs off Edna on Monday for my dentist appointment, chucked him in the car, brought him down with me. Yep, I drove 1,000 Ks, I'm blowing shocks, scrubbing tyres, and I still fucking made it. Don't ask me how. So Turbo Tristan and I did not pick up a camera today. Silly, but we both were getting stuck into it, and I don't know if you guys will see this, but hey, peace out.